With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, so if I talk about this question, when NaCl crystal is heated in sodium vapors, then it attains yellow color. Okay, it is due to, we have options given here, so we need to find out the correct reason behind the yellow color, right, when the NaCl crystal is heated in sodium vapors. Alright, so if I talk about this procedure here, so as you can see this diagram here, right, when NaCl, right, when NaCl crystal is heated in the presence of sodium vapors, right, in the presence of sodium vapors, then what basically happens is that the sodium atoms, right here, this red dot represent the sodium atoms and the green dot represent the chlorine atoms, right? So what happened in this process, that the sodium vapors get deposited on the surface of the crystal, right here, the sodium atoms from the sodium vapors, right here, the sodium atoms from the sodium vapors, what happened, they get deposited on the surface of crystal, right, on the surface of NaCl crystal, right, and due to these deposited sodium atoms, right, as the sodium atom deposited on the surface of this crystal, right, and what happened next, due to these deposited sodium atoms, the chloride they diffuse out of the crystal lattice to form the NaCl. Okay, and reaction look like this here, Na plus Cl, it give NaCl, right, and it will release one electron, right. This electron is released due to the change in oxidation number of sodium, right. Here the oxidation number changes from 0 to +1, right, 0 to +1. Now what happened, then this released electron diffuse back into the lattice to occupy the position of chloride ion that had combined with the sodium atom, right. As you can see here, this electron diffuse back into the lattice to occupy the position of the chloride ion, right, as to maintain the electrical neutrality of the crystal. Okay, so this electron which occupies the position of chloride ion is what give the yellow color to the NaCl crystal on heating. Why? Because it absorb energy and emit the energy in visible region, thereby it imparting the crystals its color. Alright, here if I write down the reason, so here the electron which occupies the position of chloride ion is gives the yellow color to the NaCl crystal. Okay, NaCl crystal on heating. Why is it so? Because it absorbs energy and the emit the energy in visible region. Okay, in visible region, thereby imparting the crystal its color. Alright, here we can say that the yellow color, here the yellow color is due to metal axis defect, right, metal axis defect of anionic vacancy, right, as chloride ion remove from that side and electron occupy that side, so the yellow color is due to the metal axis defect of anionic valency. Alright, here as you can see, the sodium ion deposited on the surface of the crystal of NaCl and the chloride ion, right? The chloride ion diffuse to form NaCl. This happens by the loss of electron from Na to Na plus, okay, and this release electron diffused into crystal and occupy the ionic site called F center. Right here, this electron occupy this site which we called F center, okay, which impart yellow color to NaCl, right, which impart color to NaCl. Okay, so here if we see the options here, so option 1 we have given, that is electron trapped in cation vacancies, which is a wrong answer because electrons are trapped in the anionic vacancies, right, anionic vacancy. Let's see option 2. Option 2 is saying that F centers, yes, this is correct, which is electron trapped in anion vacancy created by chloride ion, which is absolutely correct answer of this question. Alright. And option 3, if we see here, that F center, which is cation trapped in cation vacancy created by sodium, which is a wrong answer because the vacancy is created by the anion, not by the cation. And option 4 we have, that is interstitial defect caused by external impurity, which is also a wrong answer here. So the correct answer is option 2. Alright, thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.